Hey everyone, welcome to the how-to video series of CSV Importer. Today we will discuss about the import of WPML with Ultimate CSV Importer. Let's get started. So starting off with the language selection in my WPML. Here I have used 5 different languages and chosen English as my default language. And I'm going to import the data in my post. Let's prepare our CSV file. So now I'm going to import 5 posts in 5 different languages. So for that you need to add the language code in your CSV. So add an additional column and add the language code. You can get the language code from our documentation. EN represents English and then Arabic, Hindi, French and German. I have used these 5 different languages. And among the 5 posts I have 2 translated posts of my default post Range Rover. Now I'm going to relate the translated post with my default post. For that, add in one more column in your CSV, that is translated post title, and mention the post title of your default post. So here it is Range Rover and add it in your CSV. Now let's import the values. First upload your CSV file. Now click on continue. So in the mapping section, if your CSV header and the WP field values are same, then importer will automatically map the fields. Else you can also map the fields by choosing one of the values from this drop down. And then here comes my WP field values, that is the language code and translated post title. Map the appropriate values and finally click on continue. Now we can import the values. So my import is successful. Let's check the values. So here are the 5 posts I have imported. The Range Rover and the 2 translated posts of Range Rover and then the other 2 posts. Let's check the values. So this is my translated post of Range Rover in Hindi language. So it is related with the default post here. And this is my next post RD in French language. So by this way you can easily import any number of multilingual data into your WordPress with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Happy importing!